How to download pictures from Aliexpress. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Aliexpress and then go to the product page that you want to download a picture of. Let me choose a random one. Say, for example, this one right here. And what you need to do to download the photo is simply click and hold on it and then either click on download image or open image in new tab. And once the image has been downloaded in new tab, click and hold on it again and click on download image, and as you can see, the image has been downloaded to your gallery. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download pictures and photos from Aliexpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.